Welcome to Arab Fashion Vibes, your destination for modest beauty, fashion inspiration, and all things glow up. Today's video is all about the magic of transformation, the Arab girl glow up. We're taking you step by step from a laid-back, casual look to full-on glam, confident, radiant, and effortlessly stunning. Let's begin with the base. Casual looks often start with fresh, breathable skin. A tinted moisturizer or BB cream is perfect for light coverage while keeping the skin hydrated. For a glam transition, switch to a full coverage foundation that matches your undertone and blend it well. Use concealer to brighten under the eyes and define your T-zone. A little setting powder helps lock everything in, especially if you're going from day to night. Next up, brows. For a casual day, a quick brush through with brow gel works great. But for glam? It's time to define and shape. Use a brow pencil or pomade to fill in sparse areas and sculpt your arch. Keep the front soft and the tail defined. This frames the face beautifully. Now let's move to the eyes, where the real magic begins. Daytime eyes might feature a simple nude shade or just mascara. But when we go glam, we go bold. Think deep browns, golds, and shimmer on the lids. Add dimension with a smoky crease and highlight the inner corners for that wide-awake look. Don't forget eyeliner. Arabic eye makeup is all about that sultry, lifted effect. A sharp wing instantly elevates your eyes. Finish with volumizing mascara or even falsies for that red carpet flutter. Let's talk contour and blush. For casual wear, a light bronzer is enough to warm up the face. But in your glow-up look, add structure with cream contour under cheekbones, along the jawline, and lightly on the nose. Blend until seamless. Add a pop of rose or coral blush to the cheeks, and don't skip the highlighter, cheekbones, brow bone, tip of the nose. Let that glow catch the light. Now, on to lips. A tinted balm or nude gloss might do for everyday errands. But for your glam moment, choose a bold lipstick, deep red, berry, or a classic nude with sharp liner. Overline just slightly at the center of your lips to create a fuller, soft pout. Top with gloss if you want that extra glam shine. Of course, your hijab or hairstyle plays a huge role in the final glow-up. Switch your simple wrap or ponytail to a layered hijab style with volume, or accessorize with statement earrings or a jeweled pin. Color coordination with your outfit takes it all to the next level. And finally, the outfit. Casual might mean jeans and a loose top. But to complete your glow-up, slip into a flowing abaya, a satin maxi dress, or an embellished kaftan. Pair it with heels or elegant flats, and add a matching handbag to bring it all together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arab Fashion Vibes for more modest glam, beauty tutorials, and fashion inspiration, always with heart, style, and soul.